Finally, Miniso haul from Miniso store. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. From the title itself you are aware that I am back with another Miniso haul, and this time it is from the store. After many months I went into a Miniso store and to gather some stuffs, and of course I have got quite a few stuffs to talk about. So if you want to see what all I have purchased and what are my latest acquisitions, then you need to watch till the end. So let's begin with the haul, shall we? Now I have quite a huge variety in this big bag, as you can see. In no particular order, I'll be taking out each product and talk about it, and you will find out what all I have purchased. Of course, don't forget I have perfumes as well. I walk into a Miniso store and come out of it without any perfume. That's not possible, right? You know me. So yes, I have perfumes as well to talk about, but for that you need to stay till the end because I'm going to talk about the perfumes much later. So let's go through the other products that I have purchased before. So the first one that I've purchased is this oval bathroom mirror, and this has an adjustable angle with it. I'll show you. So you get a mirror like this, an oval mirror like this, which came in this bubble wrap, a base and an adjustable stand. So it's very simple. All you have to do is fix this up and fix the mirror on this base as well. So yes, after adjusting this you get a big size mirror, and you can see my camera and this stand, and you can adjust this as you need. So yeah, this will be a very good and useful thing for me when I actually do my makeup and all. So it's a great size mirror, so quite happy with this purchase. And this full size mirror I got it as rupees 250. Next up I have this 180 pieces cotton pad. Cotton pads are essential to take your makeup out. I have restricted myself to use wipes, so I use only when I don't have a choice. Otherwise I resort to these pads and makeup removers. So I needed one, and this has got 180 sheets, and this retails for rupees 150, and it is in a light pink color. Beautiful, easy, lightweight packaging. So yeah, great. So next up I have these cute little two hand sanitizers. This is in the lavender variant, and that's why it has got a lavender like hanging thing, and this is blue, and this is in the ocean variant. These are both 29 mls, and these cuties, you can actually hang them while traveling. So yeah, these retail for rupees 100 each. So yeah, quite happy with this cute hand sanitizers. Moving on to two jewelry pieces I have got, and this is one. This retails for rupees 260. It has got this blue black stone thing and golden hanging stuffs. What do I call them? I don't know, but yeah, quite pretty, and you might see me wearing these in one of the videos. So this is another piece. This is the next one. It is gold and silver mixed. Yeah, very simple, basic, but I quite loved these danglers. So yeah, got this one as well, and this one retails for rupees 360. Next up I have this lipstick from Miniso. I thought I'll try some makeup product as well, and this is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. I don't know whether the shine will allow you to read the name or not, but yeah, this is Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Misty Rose. I'll show it to you here because while taking the tape off, the name just tore off. Sorry, I don't know whether you will be able to read it, but yeah, this is 20 Misty Rose, just in case if you can make out. But yeah, this is how the inner packaging of the product looks like, and I'll quickly give you a hand swatch. Okay, so this is how the shade looks. In the lighting it might seem pinky red, but in reality it is kind of close to mauvey pink. I don't know whether this will dry down matte or stay this glossy finish, but the color is quite pretty, definitely, but God knows, I mean, Yeah, but the consistency and the payoff is not good. I mean, this is after 2 strokes. So yeah, it's called Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, so it is expected that it will dry down and have a velvet matte finish. So yeah, we'll see, we'll allow it to dry down. Oh, and you get 6 gram products here, and this retails for rupees 300. And finally, moving on to perfumes, of course. If you have made this far, you truly love fragrances, that's why you have. So, and I thank you for that. Miniso has various ranges in their perfume category, and the one that I am talking about right now is Miss Charm. This one has 2 variants, and this is the romance version. It's written right here, but I don't know whether you will be able to read it or not. But yeah, it's a romance. It's a basic cardboard packaging, and it's quite sealed and secured, like the perfume is housed inside this cardboard with a safety lid as well. So the outer packaging looks something like this, and the inner packaging looks something like this. This is quite classy. It's a see-through bottle with a pink liquid. Name romance, color pink, just justifies the thing. It has this cute bow and this acrylic cap. The bow is actually on the lid, and this is basic acrylic cap, nothing special about it. Yeah, but this is quite tightly shut, so even if it's acrylic, I'm not complaining, it's quite good. The sprayer is quite decent as well. And the scent is just beautiful. This is sweet, feminine, a bit floral, a bit powdery, very subtle, and this is great for sensitive noses. If you are someone who is triggered by perfumes, you get headaches by perfumes, this one will not give you a headache because this is quite soft and subtle. It feels there might be some undertone of musk in it. So as you know, Miniso perfumes never have their notes displayed online, so I have no reference. Whatever I can sniff through, I can talk about that. This is quite good from the scent perspective. This being an EDT, this lasts fairly well from 4 to 5 hours. However, the projection is not that great. For any of the perfumes that I will be talking about, projection is weak. It's not great. But then I'm not complaining much on that part because the price at which these are offered at, being EDTs, these 50 ml retail for 460. If you want a decent performance out of an EDT, you pay at least 800,000 or something like that. But yeah, so for 460 and 50 ml EDT, this is quite good. Moving to the next one from Miss Charms, this is the blue variant, which is called Dreamland. I'm not sure whether you will be able to make out the name Dreamland, but yeah, it's mentioned here. This is also a cardboard packaging, and this is how this blue bottle looks like. Yeah, it's quite similar to my background. It has got the same bow and the acrylic cap. It's quite sturdy as well, and the spray is quite uniform as well. This one is somewhat similar to green tea. I mean, from the first spritz itself, I can think of Elizabeth Arden's green tea perfume. This is very much similar to that. It has got green, clean notes, and it has got floral elements a bit freshness. Yeah, definitely a fresh scent. It's not a proper floral. This is not sweet. This is clearly a fresh scent, clean scent. It kind of reminds me of clean laundry as well. Yeah, clearly a green, clean scent. To that extent, it's kind of minty fresh. You know what I mean? This is intense slightly, but yes, this is not for every sensitive nose. I mean, in order to like this, you need to have a fascination towards fresh notes, and from the first spritz, it's a bit strong. It is intense at the beginning, and then it becomes subtle as you wear it. So if you have a tendency that you don't like such strong fragrances, then you might not enjoy this one. But the other one, which is romance, is safer that way. That suits every sensitive nose. This one, people need to go to Miniso store, give this a sniff, and if they enjoy it, then This is a great fragrance. I can't take that away from it. Now both of these are great gifting options as well, as they befit regular as well as special occasions. So yeah, great purchase. Both 50 ml retail for 460 rupees. Moving on to the last fragrance for the day, that is Shine, and this is a perfume. It's written just perfume and not anything else, so I'm assuming this is an EDP, and this is in the variant Iceland Aurora. Pretty uniform packaging. It has got the same bottle imprinted here in white. It's quite good, and this is how the bottle looks from inside. You might see this reflected in purple lights and all in Amazon, and it looks more stunning in the picture, but in reality you just have that purple thing at the back, and as a reflection you see it on the front. This is pretty much the basic packaging for Shine. If I put it like this in front of the box, you might be able to understand the lavender color of the liquid as well. Oh no, the liquid is transparent, sorry. The lid on the other hand is an acrylic cap, and this is light lilac, I might say, but this is not as sturdy as Miss Charm version. This lid is not that great. All the sprayers are uniform, and this is as well. Quite fine fragrance mist. This is best of all the three perfumes that I have acquired this time. This is straight up floral, sweet, feminine, delicate. It's not too intense. This is kind of a mass pleaser. Everybody will like this. Now this is from the line called Cityscape, and which is kind of inspired by world's most popular city landscapes. It is kind of an irresistible fragrance. It is definitely a great option for gifting as well. This is 50 ml, and if this is considered to be EDP, since it is not clearly mentioned on the packaging, I'm considering this to be an EDP. This one also retails at rupees 460. So yeah, all the perfumes are 460. The only drawback for this one, which is in the packaging, this one is not secured enough. You see, it just comes off. Whereas the other two, the Miss Charm ones, the lid being acrylic as well, was quite sturdy enough, and it stuck to the bottle and keeping the fragrance tightly shut. This one, even if you carry with you, because the packaging is good, this is worth carrying around, small and fine. Though all of these are glass bottles, they are packaged very nicely, and they are all compact that you can put it in your purse and carry around as well. It's just that this lid is not secured. This is where my concern lies. I might, going forward, I don't know. If I see traveling with this becomes difficult, and I'll just throw this off and I'll travel with this one only. Yeah, but great scent. Favorite of all the three that I have purchased. Now with all these, I have got a free product from Miniso. This is kind of a Miniso acrylic painter pen in purple shade, but I don't know why they gave me this. Nothing comes out. This is useless. I don't even know what to do with this one. I can't even, this is not even that good that I'll give to somebody. I mean, some kid in my building, I can't even give them because this is not working. I don't know what, did I do anything wrong with this, or they just gave a bad product to me, so I don't know. Yeah. Well, as we speak about the perfumes, this has dried down. Let's see. This transfers very slightly. Yeah, it is velvet matte. It is very comfortable on my hands. It doesn't feel like there is anything on my hand. So yeah, looking forward to wear it. But I don't know what to do with this one. I mean, how can this be a free product when it doesn't even perform? I don't know. I wanted to give this to a kid in my building, but then if it is not working, I don't want to lose my face. You know what I mean. For all the fragrances, the projection is weak that I have mentioned. The lasting power varies from 2 to 3 hours, and this one lasts for something around 4 to 5 hours. So yeah, that is what I can talk about these fragrances. I have worn them once or twice, so yeah, the lasting power is just fine. 3 to 4 hours or 2 to 3 hours, depending on what are you wearing and in which humid conditions you're wearing. However, considering the price point, you can carry this around and reapply as required. So with that, we have come to the end of this haul. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends who might be interested in Miniso hauls or hauls in particular, and comment in the comment section if you have used any of these products before or you wish to purchase any of these products below. I will try to find these online links for these products, and I'll try to link those up. If I can't, please excuse, because I have purchased all of these from the store. So if they are not available online, I can't do anything regarding that. If you like such contents and videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join this family so that you might see more hauls coming your way. Also, don't forget to ring the bell icon next to it so that you're updated for all my future updates. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.